Hi, this is Visi Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to create Roblox account on MacBook. Before you get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go. Roblox is an online platform where you can play and create games using Lua programming. Lua is a simple and powerful scripting language that lets you bring your game ideas to life. So in this video, I will show you how to create account Roblox on your MacBook. It's very simple. So first of all, you can just open the website to Roblox. Sorry. Okay. You can search for Roblox on your browser. In here, you can just open Roblox. Now, in here, you can sign up and start having fun. You can enter your birth date. You can enter your username, for example. Now you can enter the password. You can create password for your account. You can enter your gender, but it's optional. Now you can just tap on sign up. Click on sign up. You can wait. So here's your Roblox account. You can see in here. Now you can play with your account in here, and also if you want to make your Roblox account more safe, you can add your email and verify it to your account. It's very simple, right? So that is how to create Roblox account on MacBook. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.